Hey guys, today we're looking at Linktree and how to create an account and use Linktree. First, you need to search up Linktree or go to linktr.ee, which is the link or the website. And then after you come to the website, you click on sign up. So now Linktree is a link that you create for all your other links. So you basically create a page similar to this one right here, and then you can put all your other links here, like your social media, like your Instagram, Twitter. If you have like a website, YouTube, or like blog, you could all put it all in one place, so it will be easier for people to uh, find links from or about you from you. Then you could create your page, customize it, like how the links look and whatnot, and how the button looks. You could share it, and you could also it also gives you data. So if you're selling products, like you have a product page, it shows like sales, like how long it took from click or how many people came, where they're coming from. And it seems that it's a pretty big organization, so let's click on sign up. Alright, so first of all, we'll need an email, so just put an email down, and then put your shortened link, so that'll be your Linktree link. Alright, so let's create an account, then it asks you to make a password. Let's make one real quick. Alright, name. Just fill that up. Linktree, so if you're a social media, you put entertainment. If you're a politician, I guess, you put politics, or if you do tech stuff for businessmen, it's category, marketing. I'm just clicking random stuff, but I think it would be better if you choose accordingly, or whatever applies for you or to you. Alright, it's pretty easy to create an account. So let's just continue to the Linktree. Alright, so it shows you a kind of preview how it'll look on the phone. So let's add a link real quick. Let's add our YouTube real quick. Put YouTube. Go to our channel. Then get our link and paste. So say my channel, then the link, put it in the URL into video option. And then yeah, it shows up here. Link up. You can ask them to subscribe. Then sorry, that link is already added. Redirect straight to a link. Oh, if you want them to go straight to the link, it'll go to that link. Oh, you could like add a thumbnail, so I like pictures and whatnot. So they already have some preset ones, so see if they have a video icon. Put this right to this. Yeah, and then that way it looks better and more, it'll be more obvious. See what it is. And then pretty sure you can like change colors and whatnot. So let's look here. You can even look at analytics, so how many people clicked and where people are coming from, like who's looking at your link tree. but I think you need to upgrade to Pro to see data. Like it's not showing me anything. Yep. Alright, and then analytics. There's a lot of stuff on Linktree. Well, I can't really use it since I need to upgrade, it seems like. But from what I see, it's not that expensive. And then here you can like customize the picture. So you can put like a picture of yourself, write quick bio, upgrade. Is there no free one? Oh, here's the free one. Yep, and then you can change the how it looks. And you could like choose whichever one you want. I like green, so I'll put green. Let's wait for it to change. Then you can change like the color of the buttons. If it's like filled in or not. Alright, and that is how you set your link tree, and then you click share to share. So you could like put it on your Instagram bio or a story, put it on your Snapchat, put it on your website, put it anywhere basically. And then see what this is. Amazon affiliate links. This is a great way to make money. And that is how you open up and set up a link tree. And thanks for watching.